Today, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online with Notebook LM, which is a free AI. So you can learn how to use this tool for free. And then I'm going to show you some of the best ways to monetize it and actually make money. We can go back to the home page over here. We can start a post. Then we can take the video that we had before. All right, so let's grab that, upload that. Right now we've got a post that could convert on LinkedIn. We'll take that, plug this in as well. It actually works really well in school. I've shown you exactly how it works. We can post that tweet now as well. One little bonus tip as well is like if you're posting on Twitter and you want something to convert, just pin to your profile right here, and that'll work really well. And then you can go back to your profile and you've got a pin post like so that converts really well. Right. The other little tip that I would have here is that you actually want to track the link clicks. The way that I usually do that is I use Cut Me Short. Cut Me Short is good for tracking link clicks. Like you can see, you just see how many people are actually clicking on the links in your videos, right? So for example, this is pretty wild. We only started this channel about a week ago, and you can see that we are getting 160 clicks a week just from a brand new channel on YouTube. Using this process, we go over to YouTube right here. You can see our videos being repurposed, and then they don't even get that many views, but we seem to get a lot of clicks. And then if we go over here, you can see that we've got the link in the description and also in the comments, right? And again, how easy is that? Super easy, super